Every time you see a CNG vehicle, you think it's just a cleaner fuel. But what if I tell you, this gas has a history older than modern cars? A journey from underground fossils to futuristic clean energy. Today, we will uncover the complete story of CNG, how it is made, where it comes from, and which countries are leading this silent revolution. Part 1. History of CNG. The story of compressed natural gas, or CNG, begins in the 19th century. In 1800s, natural gas was first discovered and used for lighting streets in Europe. But the real breakthrough came in the early 1900s, when scientists realized that natural gas could be compressed and stored in cylinders. During World War II, petrol shortages forced countries like Italy and Germany to use natural gas vehicles. However, after the war, cheap petrol dominated, and CNG almost disappeared. But in the 1970s oil crisis, the world woke up again. Countries started searching for cleaner and cheaper fuels, and CNG made a powerful comeback. PART, to what is CNG? CNG stands for compressed natural gas. It is mainly made of methane chain, a simple but powerful hydrocarbon. It is called compressed because the gas is stored at very high pressure, making it easy to transport and use in vehicles. Part 3. How CNG is formed naturally. Natural CNG begins its journey millions of years ago. Dead plants and animals get buried deep under the earth, under extreme heat and pressure. Over millions of years, they transform into fossil fuels, including natural gas. This gas gets trapped inside rock layers beneath the Earth's surface. Scientists drill deep wells to extract this gas, which is then processed and purified. But today, we don't just depend on nature. We can also create CNG, artificially using modern technology. Method 1. Biogas to CNG. Organic waste like cow dung, food waste, and sewage is broken down by bacteria. This biogas is then purified and compressed, creating bio-CNG. Method 2. Synthetic natural gas. CNG. Coal, or biomass, is converted into gas using chemical processes. This gas is refined to produce methane, similar to natural gas. Method 3. Power-to-gas technology. Using renewable electricity, hydrogen is produced from water. This hydrogen reacts with carbon dioxide, forming synthetic methane. This is the future of clean fuel. Some countries dominate the production of natural gas, and therefore the United States, world's largest producer. Russia, massive natural gas reserves. Iran, one of the richest gas resources. Qatar, global gas export leader. These countries supply natural gas across the world. When it comes to usage, the leaders are different. India, rapidly growing CNG vehicle network. Pakistan, one of the highest number of CNG vehicles. Argentina and Brazil, early adopters. China, expanding fast for pollution control. In many cities, CNG has become a major solution to air pollution. Advantages: cleaner than petrol and diesel, cheaper fuel cost, less engine damage. Limitations: storage requires high-pressure cylinders, limited availability in some areas, lower energy density. The future of CNG is evolving. With bio-CNG and synthetic gas, we are moving toward a cleaner and sustainable world. CNG is not just a fuel, it's a bridge between fossil fuels and renewable energy. So next time you see a CNG vehicle, remember, you are looking at millions of years of science, compressed into one tank. Follow G7 Knowledge 2.0 for more deep and powerful content.